Example 19. What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards, and in how many of these? And we have been given these different parts. Okay, we have to solve these different exercises which we have been given to us. Okay, now first of all, talking about a pack of card. A pack of card consists of 52 cards, 13 of each type. That is, it has 13 spades, 13 clubs, 13 hearts and 13 diamonds. Okay, and these are known as the suits. Okay, so a pack of 52 cards is divided into 4 suits, and they are namely spades, clubs, hearts and diamonds. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to find the number of ways of selecting 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards. So this will be equal to 52 C4 straight away, because we have to just make a selection of 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards. Okay, and this will be equal to 52 factorial upon 52 minus 4, that will be equal to 48 factorial upon 4 factorial. This will be equal to 52 into 51 into 50 into 49 upon 4 factorial. 4 factorial is how much? 24. Okay, now to solve it, we are going to multiply 52 into 51 into 50 into 49 and divide by 24. So this is equal to 270,725. So this will be equal to 270,425. So this is the answer for the first part. Okay. Now in the next, that is the actual first part. In how many of these the 4 cards are of same suit? Okay, so the 4 cards are of same suit, so this means that 4 should be spades, or 4 should be clubs, or 4 should be hearts, or 4 should be diamonds. Okay, 4 should be diamonds. So the number of ways of selecting 4 spades would be equal to how much? This will be equal to 13C4. Okay, 4 clubs, again 13C4. 4 hearts, 13C4, and 4 diamonds, this will be equal to 13C4. And because it has to be spade or clubs, so or hearts or diamonds, so either of we could do, so we have to add all these ways. Okay, now we are going to quickly calculate the value of 13C4, because the total number of ways will be equal to 4 into 13C4. 13C4 will be equal to 13 factorial upon 13 minus 4, that will be equal to 9 factorial into 4 factorial. Okay, so this will give me 4 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial upon 9 factorial into 4 factorial. Okay, this 9 cancels out. This is going to cancel out and give me 6, and this will be equal to 2. So the total number of ways would be equal to 26 into 110, 260, 26, 286. So total number of ways will be equal to 2860. Okay, so this is our required answer. Okay, in the second part, the 4 cards belong to 4 different suits. Okay, so this means that 1 card would be of spade. Okay, plus 1 card of clubs plus 1 card of hearts plus 1 card of diamond. Okay. So 4 cards ought to be of 4 different suits. So this is what we mean by this. Okay. And we have to select all of them in succession. So this will be equal to 13C1. That is the number of ways of selecting 1 card of spade from 13 cards into 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1, because there are 4 suits: spade, clubs, heart and diamond. And this will be equal to 13C1 to the power of 4, or simply 13 to the power of 4. So this is our required answer. Next, how many of these are face cards? Okay. Face cards. Now what are face cards? The cards of king, queen and jack. Okay. These 3 types of cards are known as face cards. Okay. And of each suit there are 3 cards and there are 4 suits, therefore total number of cards will be equal to 12. Okay. So the total number of ways of selecting 4 face cards will be equal to 12C4. And this will be equal to 12 factorial upon 8 factorial into 4 factorial. So this will be equal to 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 upon 24. This cancels out, give me 2. This cancels out, give me 5. This will be equal to 55 into 9. 9 5s are 45. 495 ways. Okay. In the 4th part, I've been given to calculate the 2 red cards and 2 black cards. Okay. So in 4th part, we have to select 2 red cards and 2 black cards. And this will be equal to how much? This will be equal to 26C2 multiplied by 26C2. Why? Because the hearts and diamonds are red cards and spades and clubs are black cards, and 2 varieties, therefore 26 cards of each type. So this will be equal to 26(2) into 26(2), that will be equal to 26(2) whole square. On calculating, I am going to get this as 26 factorial upon 24 factorial into 2 factorial whole square. This gives me 26 into 25 upon 2, and this will be equal to 13 into 25 whole square. So 13 into 25 whole square. So this will be equal to 325 whole square, and this on solving gives me 105. This gives me 105,625. Okay, so these many ways are there. In the 5th part, the cards are of same color. Okay, this means that the card should be black. 4 black cards or 4 red cards. Okay. Again, the total number of cards which are black are 26. Total number of cards which are red are 26. Okay, so total number of ways would be equal to how much? Of selecting 4 black cards would be equal to 26C4, and red card would be equal to 26C4 again. And either of the condition is possible, so we add them, and this will be equal to 2 into 26C4, that will be equal to 26 factorial upon 22 factorial into 4 factorial. Okay, which on solving gives me 29900, which is our required answer. Okay.